What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, I'm stuck inside again because it's raining. It's always raining right now. It wasn't doing this last year. Last year, I was walking out with no power thanks to a hurricane. So, it is what it is. I'll take me some power with some rain. It is what it is, folks. But anyway, today we're doing up shrimp pasta. There's a million different ways you can do shrimp pasta to keep it fresh. You don't have to do it one particular way. Today is that day. We're going to do it up a different way to keep it fresh, keep it new. I was taught many different ways to keep it fresh and new. That's one of the ways I'm going to show you today. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your shrimp pasta. Diced red onions. You're going to dice up that bell pepper. Some diced tomatoes and green chili, 1 can worth. Some garlic that you're going to dice that too. 1 pound of noodles. 1 jar of vodka sauce. Some Marsh Magic white pepper, Cajun seasoning, and 1 pound of shrimp. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this party started. We're going to turn this on to high, throw a little salt in the bottom of this water, and we're going to go ahead and cover it. Let that boil. Alright, the water is boiling. Go ahead and drop this pasta in. Come on, get in there. You know you want to get in there. Go ahead and drop that in. Cover that. We're looking at about 11 minutes on the timer. We're going to go ahead and get started. Pour down a little olive oil real quick. And we're going to throw in some onions. Throw in our green bell peppers. And sprinkle on some Marsh Magic, the white pepper blend. It's got a heavy dose of that white pepper in there. Make it distinct. Go ahead and let that sweat now for the next couple minutes before we go ahead and add in our shrimp. So the pasta is now done. We're going to go ahead and shut it down and drain it off and move on. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic. Oh, it's getting so fragrant now. Love the smell of garlic. Add in just a tad bit more oil. Now time to add that shrimp. We're going to throw on some of that Marsh Magic white pepper blend. Start incorporating all that. Now that the shrimp is almost all the way cooked, I like to add the rotel into this pan here. Get all that goodness into this before we incorporate it into the sauce. Trust me, folks, this is going to taste real good. Let that go for about another minute, and then it's time to bring it all together. Now it's time to bring it all together. Go ahead and take your noodles, pour in your vodka sauce. Take your shrimp and vegetable mixture. Get it all. Go ahead and mix that all up now. And we're done. Again, another one that takes literally no time at all. I like that. Let's go ahead and take a quick bite. Very nice. Kind of got a nice refined taste to it. A little herby, a little aged cheese. If you're not looking for that, don't use vodka sauce. Use another sauce to go with it. But that's kind of what vodka sauce is. It's kind of a heavier aged cheese, herby kind of sauce. But again, great dish to do. Real simple, real easy to do. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.